The second exercise is number 2, and it's about reflection. Draw a coordinate grid for from 4 to 4, plus 4, minus 4 to plus 4 on both axes. So I already drew this grid, and plot and join the points. -1, 1, -1, 4, 1, 4, and 1, 1. So you plot them and you join the points. So this is part A. Part B, draw the line y equals minus x. In order to draw the line y equal minus x, let us use the table of intercepts. Now, since when you're going to use 0, 0 or the origin, you're going to notice that when x is 0, y is 0. Therefore, the line is passing through the origin. So we choose another points. If x is 1, how much is y? Y is -1. If x is 3, how much is y? Y is -3. If x is -2, how much is y? Y is 2. Therefore, you plot these points. Each of these points belong to the line, which is y equals minus x. This is the x of the point A. This is the y. This is the x of the point B. This is the y, and so on. So we start with 0, 0, 1, -1, and then 3, -3, and then -2, 2. You connect these points, and you would get the line whose equation is y equals minus x, and it is the angle bisector of the quadrant 2 and the quadrant 4. Numbers part C, reflect the shape from part A in the line y equals minus x. So you start reflecting each of these vertices that you already drew. We already have this point on the line, so it is its own reflection. Then we drop a perpendicular from this vertex and we extend it same distance. This is the symmetric of it. We drop a perpendicular from this vertex to the line and we extend it same distance. We get this symmetric of this vertex, and we do the same for this point, which is the last vertex. Drop a perpendicular and you extend to get your symmetric or your reflection of this point with respect to the line. Then you join these lines to these points together. You will get the shape M, which is the reflection of shape N with respect to line y equals minus x, which is the reflection or the image with respect to the line.